Hello again and welcome back to my channel, crafty friends. Rebecca here, and I have opened up my first of my last 9-page kits, and I went with this navy one and quite a few papers in here. So what I did was grab this paper and this photo, and all I'm going to do is and we'll see that in a little bit, I was just giving you a little overview. Thinking that I'm going to get my X-Acto knife, and I'm just going to cut this along that pattern and tuck that picture into this. And because this paper in my background's pretty much done, so as long as I do that, I think it will look fabulous. And that's me, so when I was like a kid. This next page is kind of the same thing. I'm going to cut right in there and stick him in there, and that's my son with his very first paycheck. Lay out and then just kind of embellish around it. And just to give you like a little, yes, these are the same collections, they're the same colors, so the theme and the vibe is going to be the same, but they're going to go in completely separate albums. This is going to go in my early years album. This one's going to go in my 2019 album. This one's going to my mom, so this is her and her dad. And a couple years, like about 10, 15, 20 years ago. And I'm going to use these 3 papers to create a layout with that one. And then this one will go probably in my I don't know if that's 2020 or I don't know. It's my son's messy room and they're hanging posters. And I'm going to use these 3 pattern papers, but this is still very different from the other one that he's with because I can bring in this. So that is my plan for this kit. So this 1-page kit, I know it's called a page kit, but I'm going to get 4 pages done. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to start on this one. Let me go ahead and get this other stuff put away and we'll get started. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and, well, I was playing around there for a minute. I cut the edge of that and tucked my photo in, and then I just taped the photo on. So in doing that, I caused some, I guess you would call it trapped space here and here. And I don't have the picture glued down, stuck down real well up here. Sorry, I was trying to, because I'm gonna get that. I just was trying to get it placed on there straight. So in doing that, I am going to kind of get this underneath there, because I'm going to build a cluster right there. So we're just going to punch it up a little bit too. Okay. Stick that down. So I have all these little baby woodland creatures, which I'm going to get put in here. I don't know if I like that, to be honest with you. Now that I've done it, I don't like that. So we're just gonna, maybe, well, see, accidents happen, so let's get that stuck back down. That'll be fine. That'll be fine. Okay, so see, fabulous. All right, so this is a sticker, but I believe it's kind of a, oh, it's a thicker sticker. I thought it was gonna be a little cheapy. All right, so we're just going to put that kind of like that, and then maybe we'll get this. Oh yeah. All right, so kind of made a boo-boo and had to change my plan there. Thought I was gonna like that thing there, but it looks stupid. So I'm gonna take this little golden zebra here. I'm gonna stick him on there like that. Now this little piece right here, I'm gonna use liquid glue because I can get there the ATG gun would have not fit. And then we'll stick this little guy. He's a sticker too, I believe. I don't know. Hope I'm on camera. Just kind of get him. Oops, nope. Wasn't paying attention to the zebra, was I? So we'll get him coming down here. All right, now that stuck. I've got these birds that I'm gonna stick up there. Probably should put that on some tape. All right, so this little guy, we're gonna kind of get him in and over. And then I've got and I'm putting these little woodland animals and a zebra because obviously it's outdoorsy, and you know, we should probably even come in with some handy dandy foam tape. Just need to get that little edge off. I was just a little too long. Just enough to pop it up. So that he's kind of popped up a little. Okay. And I have this camera. I'm just trying to think, but I need something in there. So we could always not sure where I'm going with this now. Alright, so this little guy's already popped up, and you know, after you go sled riding, that you are definitely, I don't know about you guys, but when we were young, my mom always made us hot chocolate after she made us come in, because we never quite wanted to come in. Snow days were great days. And we'll get this little birdie. So I'm trying to use all my little birdies up. Get him put right here. Okay. And then I've got these cute little mittens. I have no idea, they were on a card type thing. They're like a little foam sticker on this like piece of linen paper here. I find the weirdest stuff when I start going through my stuff. Okay. Like that there. Just gonna get this little thing right there. I need something for this little awkward space that I have created. Maybe I don't. I need more up here though. It says high five. I'm going to go ahead and put the camera right there. A lot of my stuff's going on here because, well, it matches. Not that it really has anything to do with a snowy picture. A little bird on his back. I've had those birds forever. I really want to use this little Shine Bright. Maybe we'll just put him right up. Maybe we'll just... I'm not really even filling that piece anymore. There you go. Not a lot. Ooh, maybe we can use this arrow here to kind of, let's see, I really need to try to get this little guy it's okay. We just need to cut his legs off. That's what we're going to do. We're going to stick him right there. Look at that little scar on there, trying to make that look better. May have just messed everything up, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Then I have this cute little Paige Evans little cut apart that came from the 6x8 paper pad. And it says that was so cool. We'll just get that stuck right there, and I'm feeling pretty good about this layout. This is kind of what happens when I don't use a sketch or really have anything in mind. I end up just randomly sticking stuff in places and hope that it turns out okay, which I'm happy. I'm happy, to be honest. I like it. I mean, you know, it'll look nice. It's just, it's very simple because all I was doing was down here. I'm used to like adding papers, and so, all right, well, that's my title. We're just going to use the paper as that says the sweetest flowers bloom under the moonlight. I mean, I really don't have anything to do, but it's cool. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this page. Go ahead and click that subscribe button below if you would like to see more videos that I post. And I have some fun announcements coming up, so I can't wait to come back.